If you're still writing every client's workout plan from scratch, this video ends that. Here are 5 AI tips that'll give you your time back without cutting corners on your coaching. You didn't become a trainer to sit at a laptop, but the admin adds up. Plans, check-ins, scheduling, messages. It can quietly eat 2 hours a day. These 5 tips hand that busy work to AI. Your coaching stays yours. One ground rule before we start. Nothing here replaces your judgment about a client's body or their health. No medical calls, no injury calls. That expertise is why people pay you. AI just handles the paperwork around it. You review everything before it reaches a client. Every draft, every message. All right, tip 1. Tip 1. Draft workout programs with AI. Here's the setup. Write down how you actually program. Your split preferences, your progression style, the equipment your space has. Save all of that as one prompt in a tool like ChatGPT or Claude. Now describe a client. Goals, experience, schedule. Ask for a 4-week draft in a table. You get a solid skeleton in seconds. Then you do the part only you can do. Adjust it for the person in front of you, their form, their history, their pace. The draft kills the blank page, not your standards. Most trainers cut planning time in half. That's hours back, every single week. Tip 2. Turn session notes into weekly check-ins. You already jot notes after sessions. Feed 1 week of them to your AI assistant. Ask for a short progress summary in plain language. What improved? What's next? One thing worth celebrating. Send that to your client as their weekly check-in. 2 minutes instead of 20. Clients love seeing their progress written down. It keeps them going between sessions, and it shows what your coaching is worth. Same-day setup. Paste this week's notes for one client. Ask for the summary. Send your first check-in tonight. Tip 3. Put scheduling on autopilot. Most booking apps now ship with AI features. Automatic session reminders, wait lists that fill canceled slots, rebooking nudges when a package runs low. Turn them on. Then add one more move. Ask your AI assistant to draft a friendly rebooking message. Aim it at clients who haven't booked in 2 weeks. You review the list, then you hit send. No chasing, no awkward follow-up you keep putting off. Fewer empty slots in your week. Same-day setup. Open your booking app's settings. Switch on reminders and wait lists. 10 minutes, once. Tip 4. Motivation drafts in your voice. The Monday message, the "great session today" text, the gentle nudge after a missed week. These little messages matter. They're also easy to forget at 9 p.m., so save a prompt that describes your tone. Direct, warm, no fluff. Then ask for short drafts for each situation. You personalize one line and send. A message that took real thought now takes 30 seconds, and your client feels remembered. Because you did remember, the AI just did the typing. Same-day setup. Write your tone prompt now. Draft Monday's messages before Monday. Tip 5. Turn client wins into content. Always with your client's permission. Take one real win. A first pull-up, a 3-month streak, a big milestone. Ask AI to draft a short post about it in your voice. 3 versions, 3 lengths, 1 for each platform you use. Real client stories beat stock fitness quotes every time. And trainers who post real stories stay booked. The story already happened, you're just writing it down. Same-day setup. Pick one win from this week. Ask your client first. Post it tonight. So that's 5. Program drafts, check-in summaries, scheduling on autopilot, motivation messages, and content from real wins. You don't need all 5 this week. Pick one. Set it up today. Tip 3 takes 10 minutes and pays you back every week. If this was useful, subscribing genuinely helps me make more of these. and drop a comment. Tell me which tip you want the full step-by-step on. Now go coach. Let the paperwork write itself.